If you want your logo product to get signed off first time, there are 4 essential principles you need to start including in your logo design presentation. Over the past 3 years refining my own process, these principles helped me minimize revisions, get project approved quickly, and save me hours of back and forth adjustments. Principle number 1, start with brand insights. This is where you give your clients an overview of their brand, including the brand message, strategy summary, if it's part of your deliverables, and the creative direction. Starting with insights build trust, and it shows your client that you're really taking the time to understand their brand and its core message before jumping into design. Principle number 2, explain your decisions. Here, basically, you walk client through the logo suite, the primary logo, the secondary logo, and logo mark. Break down how each was built and connect it back to your initial research and mood board. Explain why you chose them, tying everything back to their brand goals, mission, and vision, not only chosen randomly. Moving to the next principle, showing the brand in action. This is where you persuade your client by showing how the brand will live in the real world, but always make sure to show how it looks on real application, especially digital and social media. This step makes your work feel tangible and impactful. And the last and fourth principle, present only one concept. Presenting just one concept reduces revisions, saves time, and keeps your presentation focused. Instead of overwhelming your client with options, you guide them toward a single strong direction. To recap this video, the 4 principles of a strong brand presentation are: start with brand insights, explain your decisions, show the brand in action, present one concept only. Remember, even if your logo design is a 10 out of 10, if it's not presented well, it might get rejected. And if you're looking for a done-for-you solution, I've created this brand presentation template that includes everything you need to apply these principles. You can find the link to the template in the description down below.